City Girls, it's Lorena, and it has been 3 years since my last video, which was a Zulul glasses try on haul. In that time, a lot has happened in my life. I've graduated NYU, I've stayed living here in Manhattan, I'm still living here, and I love New York. I never in a million years thought this is where I would end up. I thought my whole life was going to be spent in Georgia pretty much. So this was never planned. This kind of just happened as life does. But I think I'm finally back to YouTube, at least for now. YouTube is something that I always loved, that I still continuously watch like every day of my life. I love podcasts here, fashion videos, and all of that. So I'm now going to be using this channel as a way to show my fashion, beauty, and NYC vlogs. That's what my life is, and I'm using this as like a public video diary of what my life here in New York is like, and anywhere else I go. But yeah, stay tuned. Keep up with my YouTube shorts. Those are a lot of beauty, fashion, and lifestyle things that I think you'll enjoy, and a podcast may be coming soon. I haven't particularly decided yet what the focal point is going to be because, as you know, I have a lot of interests, but I'm very excited for that venture because since podcasts started, I've been a huge consumer of them, and as you know, I am a talker. In the meantime, let me know what type of videos, full-length videos you would like to see. There's definitely some hauls and full-length vlogs coming up, but don't forget to follow me on TikTok and on Instagram for your weekly, daily, monthly dose of beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. And of course, check out my shorts. I love you so much, and welcome back to my channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Okay, love you. Bye!